In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and activate dice links for Monopoly Go. Whether you're a new user or looking to expand your gameplay, these easy steps will help you get started. First, grab your mobile device and open the Monopoly Go app. This is your gateway to a fun-filled experience with all your favorite Monopoly characters, activities, and, of course, dice rolling. Once you've launched the app, it's time to navigate to the next step. Take a glance around the app's home screen, and you'll want to find and click on the icon that looks like two hands shaking, or simply select the Invite button. This will direct you to the social hub of Monopoly Go, where you can connect with friends or explore new players. Here, you'll notice three main tabs: Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard, each offering different ways to interact and engage. But for now, let's focus on connecting with your existing network. Next, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. Click on it. This section will allow the game to sync with your phone's contact list, enabling seamless invitations and interactions with friends already in your circle. Once you've accessed your contacts, there's a small action to take. Click on the X button. It might not be immediately clear why you do this, but it's a step that ensures you have a clean slate to start with, avoiding any duplicates or errors in your invite process. Now that you've done that, go ahead and return to the previous screen and click on the Invite button again. This step is crucial as it refreshes the system and gets you ready to send your dice link out to the world. After you're back, click that Invite button one more time. I promise we're almost done with the clicking. This final interaction confirms that you're set and ready to move forward with generating your dice link. You're now at the stage where you can actually copy the link. This newly created dice link is your ticket to bringing more players into your Monopoly Go fun. Finally, with your link copied, there are several choices you can make. You can directly invite friends by pasting the link into a message, or take advantage of the era of social media. Share the link on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or wherever your friends hang out. This method not only invites others to join your world, but also encourages them to roll those dice and be part of the excitement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully create and share dice links in Monopoly Go, enhancing your social gaming experience and connecting with more friends. Happy gaming!